Hey guys, today I'm cooking tilapia with Haitian seasoning. First thing I'm doing, I'm putting some lemon juice, a little bit of vinegar, not that much. Okay. Now I'm adding my seasoning. This is Haitian seasoning. I made it at home. I just make sure to mix the lemon juice, the vinegar with the seasoning. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of water. A tiny bit of water. And then now I am putting my fish. There you go. One thing I was supposed to do that before I even start. I should cut the fish, not like cutting it all the way, just make a mark on it. Let's see if I can find I'm sure. Just do that. That will help the seasoning to get into the fish. I'll show you. And I have to turn it, and I will do the same thing on both sides. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I will put the fish in a refrigerator just to leave it for at least an hour to let the seasoning get real good into the fish, and then I will continue with the next process, the next step. Okay guys, first I put the oil. I fried some tomatoes, red pepper, and I also add a little bit of hot dry pepper. You don't have to add the same thing, but if you don't have the green pepper, you can add this just for a little bit of flavor. And you can either fry the onion right before you add the fish, or you can add onions at the end. So I'm gonna add some onions almost at the end. And now I add the fish, and I put the seasoning, put a little bit of water. Then I'm gonna let the fish cook a little bit. At the meantime, I will put the water that is cooking the fish on top of it, just to make sure the water will get inside the fish. And now I am adding the parsley. You can either add the parsley like this, the way I just did, or you can cut them into pieces. Now I'm turning the fish on the other side just to make sure it's cooked. So I'm now gonna let you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like. Make sure you like the video, and you can also share it with your friends.